Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your Facebook page password, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Now, there is no such thing as a Facebook page password. In order to create a Facebook page, first you need to create a Facebook account. So you can change the password of that Facebook account because that Facebook account is the account through which your page could be accessed. So for an example, I open my Facebook and I click on menu. From over here, there are 3 pages and I can access these 3 pages from this account. So the only thing I can do is change the password of my account. And if I change the password of my account, that means I change the password of my page because my page is linked with my account. Alright, so let me show you how to change your Facebook account's password. So first thing, after you come into the menu of your Facebook, you want to click on your setting icon at the top. Once you're in Facebook setting, over here the first option, which is on blue color, called see more in account center, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your Facebook account center. From over here, you want to choose this option called password and security. Click on password and security, and once you're over here, the first option, change password, click on it. Once you're over here, choose which account. So my which given account, I will click on that. Now first, I need to enter my current password. And after I enter my current password, where it says new password, I need to type my new password over here. And after I type my new password, where it says retype, I'm going to type the same password again to confirm it. And after I do that, I can click on change password. And what that is going to do is that's going to change my Facebook password. And once my Facebook password is changed, basically my Facebook page password will also be changed, because in order to access my page, first I need to log in into my Facebook account, and from inside my account I can access that page. So that's how you guys can change your Facebook page password. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.